baby boy doing?
Turn off. Come on. Yes, Mom?
Hey, baby, just calling to check on you. You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm doing absolutely wonderful, Mom. Never been better.
All right, well, baby, don't forget we're going to your cousin's baseball game in the morning. And we got to wake up early, so be home in 30 minutes, okay? Baby, is everything all right? I hear some disturbing noise coming from your side of the call.
Yeah, Mom, everything's good. That's just a TV show me and Eric are watching.
Oh, well, okay. Finish up and I'll see you in 30 minutes, okay? Bye, baby.
What'd she say?
That I gotta be home in 30 minutes.
Damn, we're 4 hours away.
You think I don't know that shit already?
Damn, so what are you gonna do?
Nothing I can do. I'm gonna get in trouble regardless. So I might as well stay here and make the trouble worth it. Pass this out, man. I gotta knock some of this stress off. Pass that shit. Pass it. Yeah.